Hi, I'm Tom Green, founder of Yerbalicious, here today to show you how simple it is to make an unsmoked mug of Maté in less than a minute. Firstly, simply place the steel infuser into your cherished mug. Then add 2 tablespoons, that's about 12 grams of loose leaf Maté into the infuser. Roughly about 1/3 of the infuser. Next, slowly pour in your boiling water. Let it brew to your taste, around 15 to 30 seconds, perfect for me. And voila, that's it. Now, if you're using the 1 litre French press to make 3 mugs or fill your flask, just add 5 of the accompanied black scoops, roughly 35 grams of Maté. Then, pour in your boiling water. Let it brew a little longer this time, 30 to 60 seconds, and then you're good to plunge. Our mission is simple, to bring this legendary superbrew to modern life, a gift of nature that both energises and relaxes. Calm, clean, nourishing fuel for movement, focus and flow. Sip smarter, live sharper.